three generations of software economics leading to target objective, right? Whatever the generation that you take, in each and every generation, everybody is going to concentrating on only ROI, return on investment. If you are going to have 2 rupees, if you are going to use 2 rupees for starting a project, then you are going to expect at least 3 rupees in order to get. So like that, whatever the project that you are going to start, you are going to have some expectations, return on investment. So in first generation, second generation, there are three different types of generations are there. The first one is 1916 to 70s, next one is 1980s to 90s, and the other one is 2000 and onwards. So in all the cases, what happens is when the software size is increasing, automatically the cost is also increases. So in whatever the case, in all the cases, everybody is going to concentrating on getting return on investment, right? In earlier days, what they are going to use, the process model that they have used is waterfall model, and in the second case, they are going to use process improvement. In third case, they are going to use iterative development. Waterfall model, process improvement, and in the third case, iterative development. Like that, in each and every generation, the process models are completely changing, right? And here the one diagram is given, so corresponding to environment, size, and process technologies. So in this, all the three are, see, remaining two are constant, and environment, size, and process, you can see environment. In earlier days, environment is nothing but every tool is a custom generated tool, because in earlier days there is no tools are available, everything you have to implement on our own. So that's why what we are saying is, we are saying that if environmental tools are custom. But when come to second phase, what happens, environmental tools are, some of them are off the shelf, means that where we are going to use already ready made tools are there which we are going to use, but we are using them separately, so off the shelf and separate. And in the third case, modern practices, what we are doing, we are going to use same ready made tools, but what we are going to use, we are going to use them by integrating. So that is the third case. In the earlier days, what we are going to have, we are going to implement our tools on our own. But in the second phase, we are going to make use of the tools which are already available, but they are going to use separately. But here we are going to use the tools by integrating them. And size of the software process is also 100% custom, because you have to write each and every line of the code in earlier days, because there are no ready-made codes are available, so you have to write on our own everything. That's why that they are saying 100% custom. But in the second generation, what happens, only 30% is component based and 70% is custom, means 30% ready-made code we are going to use, and 70% you have to write on our own. And come to here, 70% is custom based, component based, and 30% is custom. So by looking at those figures, you can be able to understand. So in earlier days, what is this in the medium, and in the modern days, so you can be able to understand everything clearly by looking at those figures. And finally, the process is ad hoc, so that is nothing but temporary. All of a sudden you have to think what we have to use. But in second one, we are going to use repeatedly, and here we are going to have managed, or we can say measured. We can be able to manage, or we can be able to measure. So that is the case we have to remember. And at the last one is, see, what is the typical project performance he has given like this. So in earlier days, predictably bad. What he is saying, predictably bad, means always, that could be always over budget, that could be always over schedule, means we are not able to implement the project within the estimated time, stipulated time, at the same time estimated cost. But comes to the second phase, what happens is, infrequently, up అప్పుడప్పుడు మాత్రమే, what we can say, that could be on budget, that could be on schedule. But here nowadays, what happens is, always, usually means always, that is always on budget, on schedule. So that is the thing that is going to happen. So in all the three different generations, whatever we are going to do, always we are going to concentrate on only return on investment is our motto, that you have to remember.